How to make a WordPress website super fast with the help of a plugin. Today I will see that. First, from the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Then from there, add New Plugin. Then in the New Plugin search bar, search for the name LiteSpeed Cache. Then select the first plugin that comes up. It is the most downloaded plugin. Click on Install, then from now on, wait a little. Then click on Activate. Then there will be an option at the bottom of the dashboard. Click on it called LiteSpeed Cache. Then go to Image Optimization. Then from here, turn on Auto Request Cron. Click on Next Gen Format, WebP format from the bottom. Then click on Save Changes. Then click on Page Optimization. Turn on CSS to CSS Minify. Turn on Lazy Load from Media. Then click on Save Changes. This is how your website will be. You can do it very fast. We create full e-commerce websites with website SEO and services. Contact details are given. Thank you.